Protection Region 10 welcomes everyone to our Regional Command Conference for the first semester of calendar year 2024.
Sisiyo sa nagagang tulog sa simulan sa langit ng mga nanilagang tulalaw sa paglayang minamahal. Absat ang matawag ko'y tagumpay na nagdiningin. Ang bituin ng kanya kailan amay magdidinig. Lupa ng araw ng luwal, bakit pagsita, buhay langit sa piling mo. Ang bigaya ng may mga api, ang mamatay ng dahil sa'yo.
Fire Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villafuerte, DSC. Sir.
My fellow firefighters, good morning. Starting off with the power complement of BD Pokemon based on the organizational structure for calendar year 2017. For the rank of Senior Superintendent, we have 1, the idea is 0. Fire Skill Leadership Course, 1 is a 453. No Fire Basic Technique Course, 98 personnel with appropriate trainings.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, ma'am.
I have some concerns on the lacking personnel who has special skills on rescue, hazmat, and CBRD, and EMS, and administrative skills acquisition. But I still have to wait if Bukidnon, considering that it is still fresh and nasa harap na natin. So we can have outright justice. Number 1, status of request for activation of Bravo Company, Special Rescue Force. Whose concern is this? Parang matagal na request na to. Whose concern?
I don't know.
Sa regional office?
Yes, ma'am.
What did the regional office do?
We already
to address this?
conducted a meeting with the TPP SRB foreman, and there was a proposal to present to you their agreed plan as to
SRF. Kasi hindi pwede SRF na i-ano mo, but may sariling organization ng SRF, and they are reporting to the regional director to proceed or to organize themselves and proceed to the emergency where they are needed. Yan ang dapat nga hindi ang chief ang ibababa mo. Because our organizational structure that will be violative to our approved organizational structure.
For esteemed regional director, Chief Superintendent Abakahimang, to our respected Assistant Regional Director for Administration, Senior Superintendent Ratulin, sir, and to our supportive also Assistant Regional Director for Operations, Senior Superintendent Fabre, and our energetic and supportive also Regional Chief Director of Staff, Senior Superintendent Cabo, other very cooperative also United staff, other officers, my fellow, of course, regional fire marshals, officers, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Now, for manpower complement of Islamic South Secretary as of June 30, we are 231. Women's Month celebration ay very particular na empower natin yung women and other wasar. Kaya although very malamig sa Biguan Falls, but still nag-enjoy yung mga ladies.
Kung may na-rescue na incident, roadside accident, that's an additional.
Yes.
So ang expect natin, hindi siya bababa sa car incident, mas mataas ang reportorial number ng EMS at saka ng rescue.
Government and private agencies na mag-request sila na EMS sa ilang mga event for standby. So still amo pala siya ibutang sa report. I-include ba na nato sa emergency medical services sa municipal?
Everything should be covered.
Kailangang manpower sa Miss Ok sa first pitch ata because sa manpower complement because as far as I know based on the presentation ni Mubo there were two who are already promoted.
Tanawon yun na to. And pasalamat lang po ta sa effort po sa atong mga station commanders o atong personally no sa district fire marshal dili lang sa ako katong mga predecessors nato nga we channel ano nga problema napakita ng solution through coordination with the local government.
Inspection data. Target for January to June, 9,851 with accomplishment of 10,468. So, nag-increase ko 468. For the fire case collection, 2023, I collected 19 million plus.
23. There is a total of 6,130 fire safety inspection certificate rated.
Senior Superintendent, Chief Officer, to our RCDS, Senior Superintendent Alan A. Cabot, sir, to the Division Chiefs, and the rest of the senior officers, provincial fire marshals, the provinces of Region 10.
Encourage your local LGUs to utilize your 20% if pwede na. No, kung nag-iipon kayo, so nag-submit kayo doon ng proposal, but ang pera is konti lang, so may target date tayo kailan na-implement, pero isang kailangan yun. Para lang meron kayo accomplishment sa 20%. Okay, per division, meron kayong kinoconsolidate ng training per division, pero sa regional yon. How about sa province? POI ng logistics personnel, POI ng administrative staff personnel, POI ng investigators, POI ng plan evaluators, building inspector. Kasi itong, iba kasi dito, building inspector, pasok ito sa 40 hours eh.
Tourism office, ma'am. We have scheduled speakers training and also with katong how to handle customer relations sa ground. So, mga mong paano mo mako, pagsabot mo ng appropriate trainings coming from the bureau itself na be authorized to, so marang, even that, on that mo na hindi mo the premise mo. So, pwede rin mag-issue mo na rate. Niyabihan mo kung
okay, if there is a training provided from the outside community relations officer, lalo na yung tourism, kasi ito talaga expertise nila, send your people there, may certificate sila. Then you recognize that is already official. Must you fill up the gap if the organization has these cracks within our processes and our function. Siguro every 3 days para hindi naman masyado malungkot. Kung kung malayo every 1 week, babantayan lang nila ang fire truck. Pag may masunog sa Iligan, so kung kailangan ng additional fire truck complement, takbo sila.
Ma'am, update naman, nag-deploy na kami ng 18 personnel from
Yes, bigyan natin ng fire truck, tsaka new personnel. The rest is mga minor issues, kaya naman natin yung i-solve. Basta top of the line of the concern of the administration today from the national headquarters is yung activation of station. Pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung construction of station ha. Hindi lang si Fire Chief ang naniningil. Yung pumunta akong Manila, yung outright na papunta dahil sa interaction with the DILG, yun lang din topic namin. Ang bola na sa atin. Ang utos ay nakalay down na. Ang pera naghihintay na lang na ano. Pero kung wala tayong gagawin, ay tayo talaga ang magproblema. Tayo talaga ang may problema. Baka makusyon tayo. So please kunting sacrifice. So meron kasi akong appointment ng alas 2:30 na. But I will not stop the conference if the body can agree when I'm done that they will still listen to the report of EPSED, labi na ang report ng finance. Kayo nang bahala mag-decide. I will turn over the command to Arda. Siya na ang mag-DJ. Okay lang ba sa inyo? So thank you so much for this very rare opportunity na ano, and next time around magkausap tayo. But before that,
Ma'am, pwede mo batiin ka ba, ma'am? Nalapay hapon. Ma'am, about sa akong substation, ma'am ba, kay Berian Hingo ko, luway-luway naman gusto nga na-submit na daw sa NHQ, ma'am, and up to now, wala pa ang iyang order, ma'am, for activation. So, may nakababog pag-alto rin, ma'am, ma-remind sa taas, ma'am, ba, para at least malabas.
Berian Hingo ang priority is yung walang station. Pero ako, hindi ko yan na kumusta yung station na existing na, pero kompleto na sa documentation. Akong tanaw. Please let us recognize the efforts also of those who are working to be recognized.
For being the best performing province, District City Fire Office for the first semester calendar year 2024 in fulfilling the mandate of the agency and pursuing initiatives that promote the best interest of the agency and public service. Congratulations, Cagayan de Oro Fire District, BFP Region 10. And the best presenter for his exemplary performance in his presentation. Congratulations, Fire Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villafuente. Wow. BFP Region 10, Bukidnon. Sir? Photo off. Mamay pahabol ka. Early Bird Award. Pinakauna nga na ating karon sa atong conference. Walain, Sir Fire Senior Superintendent Romel E. Villafuente.
Hindi na ako pumasok.
Ay, ikaw pala. Early Birds. Thank you very much to our Regional Director for her appreciation and the recognition.
Thank you all, and if you will continue, please do so. The place is yours.
Once again, palampakan natin ang Regional Director, Ma'am, Fire Chief Superintendent.